Hello, good day friend. Today we'll talk on switch case when statement, which was introduced in C# 7 version. Now this is a variation of switch case statement only. The limitation of switch case statement was that we need to use constant term with case statement, but here with switch case statement we can use multiple conditions. It supports broad match and variables can be used very easily. We need not invent some tricks to achieve those. Now let us see the switch case of when statement syntax. You see here I took day of the week, that is, and then I'm passing it, and I took it in a variable d, and if d is the multiple condition I'm using. If d is either Sunday or Saturday, I'm doing some computation based on that conditions being evaluated true. In the second case statement, like I can again I'm using variable, I'm taking it the value of the day of the week in the variable, and I'm comparing and then doing some computation. Now this variable, what you are seeing, this is also available inside the case statement, which was not possible with conventional switch case statement. The case has to be constant term. To use this, you need to use switch case when. Okay. So let's see the comparison between conventional case statement and case and when. So this is where you must use a constant term, day of the week or Sunday, day of Monday, like that. Okay. Where in the case and when, as I already showed in my last slide, that we can use combination of. We can also use broad range, like greater than, less than. Also we can use like kind of a linked queries. Okay, so let us see this in action. So I'm here in Visual Studio console application, and I am using Visual Studio 2019, version is 16.8.3. remember, switch case when statement is from C# version 7. Okay, now let us start with a very simple one, very simple variable, and let me go to switch. Okay, this is the one. Now a, and if I put a case statement, and if I need to put it like this, if case equal to 1, then something, and then like maybe 1. Okay, you need a break statement. So this was conventional switch statement. This was like this. Okay, to first of all, this one must be a constant term, and you can achieve range like this. Like if you say that, okay, if it is 1, print 1, if it is 2, print 2, but if it is anything greater than 2, always print maybe 100 or 0. Okay, so you have to do it like that. 3, okay, like this. 3, 4, 5 and 6, like this. Always print 0. Okay, now yeah, of course you can't achieve something like that if it is greater than 2. Okay, that's not also possible. So let us see how we can achieve this with our switch case when statement. Okay, now that can be achieved this way. Let me just throw this away. Okay, fine. So all you have to take a variable, maybe b, when b equal to 1, print 1, like that. So the syntax goes like this, b equal to 2, like this. The good part is that I can do it here as well, and I can do it like if it is greater than 2, print 0. Okay, so the value of a is being assigned to b and it is being used. Like if I run it now, it will print 1. Yeah, now if I make it greater than 2, like 5, it should print 0. Yeah, now earlier we could go till 6 because that was the one. Now I can, even if I put 500, I can achieve that. So that was the benefits, one of the benefits, like this. Now there are other benefits, like you can combine, okay, multiple variables here. Like say if I have a variable here, c equal to maybe 10, so I can do it here, and c equal to 10, then only print that. So external variable I can use here as well. 100, then put 2 is equal to, also if it is 0 then only do like that. Okay, so that's what I can combine multiple conditions. Okay, that was like we can achieve broad match, we can combine multiple conditions. There is one more benefit. The benefit is that, say you are passing the variable value here, and you can reuse this, you can catch this, and you can, this b, the scope of this b is not only this much, the scope is this much, so I can use it here as well, like I can put it here. So what I want to say that if it is 1, let me remove that otherwise. So all I wanted to say is that if b is 1, print 1, if b is 2, print or if 1, print 1000, if 2, print 2000, but if it is greater than 2, print that number only. Now it is 500, it should print 500. Yeah, so the good part is that you can use this value in the inside the case block. Okay, so these are the 3 benefits which switch case when statement brings. Thank you for watching this.